Osha a screen is why a Sadio Mane ne picture and that's so. Now the discussions are akosono. Jean Benzema on air Sadio Mane the agent Anna Bakari Cisse. They have engaged to a far extent with Anaza. And the Anaza Bobokono are now convinced said the Sadio Mane operation be ejuma. Initially they had doubts because now boy nana kuma say obetna mine kwa no wesi akan. But from in comedy akoso twice, 2 times. Ana buy him for the sinipia catcher and say okaso otna onye bimbo.
On common plans on.
Took a catcher no buying in Penifono Swiss so the amano. So the boy is now convinced say the future with buying no a bleak. Now the future a bleak will be when there is an offer or a proposal of more money and the more playing time Obe movie Eddie Akko. So that is how come Sadio Mane now has given the okay to another say what he say. Afe the Omo project no he will want to join. Afe no mobile bet na say akansika sem no mesi piesita. Another for the Omo first of Abeba. Mane ne camp no Bakari Cisse Mone Benzema. Omo be offer Omo counter proposal.
Okay.
Mane is looking to earn roughly no less than 70% of the Ojewa buy no more. The advance of $300,000 and now €300,000. Our buying now, or person just 70% more. Our another honor kono.
Okay.
So it's likely to earn maybe between 400,000, 500,000. Sika or person kokwajiwo.
Kwakubu amekakra. Is it on performance intina? Buying for a person who done a say no attitude incident on Leroy Sané no.
Now this is it. Once a money buyer, he came under Julian Nagelsmann. Nagelsmann saw Mane as a key part of a project and a team of person building. Along the season, no, and almost saw Nagelsmann they took care by. Tuchel does not see Mane as a crucial component of the setup. Okay. And to coach no and prefer player no. And then 2, buying in Penifona who said the money operation is expensive as it stands now. Buying sporting direction assistant. Entina Hassan Salihamidzich Omeja na Kwai. Oliver Kahn Omeja na Kwai. So they want to rebuild Bayern in the image of Munim. So the return of Ole Hone is more to play that role. And they said they will streamline the team in terms of the first team and then the squad. Into some players who saw Omoya misfit no, ye be you Ome frame. Na yede omo ye hu so omo fete enso de abem. Why are Bayern keen on Harry Kane? Omo hu say owo the exact profile to say obi a friend say Robert Lewandowski, and even Harry Kane does more in terms of the overall play. Into omo hu say Lewandowski in the core and a year replace it there. The priority should not be money. So let's make do with a push for Harry Kane. Now if we can move money on, we're moving on. Intenya say Omunyan Tokwabi and Nebufuobi, but it is purely a sporting and a technical project. Money. And so another for anybody among common normal who the Omobe concerning Sadio Mane, and then they take the next step forward. This week in Amebeka was said, I think it's on a Monday. City for anybody resume training, and then commercial training course between Kyle Walker and the Pep Guardiola. Truly, some common koso. But it wasn't just the 2 parties. Na Chiki Bergestan and so account. Kawaka den assembly dia tuja say he would love to move on intende or call Bayern Munich. Pep na enye de bebre, but there is this general understanding say player ne buy no abesom and osom they are son Man City no one sumo mo abra award tawantawa na ebufobia buy. So they think he's been a good servant. And the best they can do, they say they will not hold him against his wishes. So ka walk at the end, Man City adhere to him in principle. What is left now? And it's a Bayern and Man City. Ebeshia no medin komo. Bayern beko Asia. Amo call a year tour. Man City already ewe Asia. Almost so a year motor. So omoko kopiemwa. They will engage next week ewe Tokyo. Na omat na siaka eboa. Man City for no omobeje every Bayern ho for ka walker. Basicano a rumor say it will be in the region of 50 million euros enter.
Okay.
So that is the arrangement concerning the Kyle Walker project.
Basically, the duration of the contract na aka no internet scan no also region no and now say the performance the value no
Ayana the selling club no play a part in valuation of a player.
Okay.
So said you kind you share certain factors. 1, the year remaining. 2, the age, and then 3, player and crown status. Obi oha say player na som na che say Benzema. Na Benzema or contract with Real Madrid. But omosha soma wa som any age and how he wants to live now. Madrid did not take a transfer fee from Al-Ittihad. Amoma Benzema call free. Interview our club need to mishra also. Oh, person call the end call. Now, say in the case of Walker, the AC, the age new winning him. I can't a 1-year contract. The players also express a desire to leave. As a BT price in the bathroom, a man in cost Ruby Bray.
Okay.
But a circumstance and then club a particular. Club you bet me I say Mejiska. Club you bet me I say Mejiska. Say me month na kind of 1 year. By United for it you are saying in excess of 50 million euros. Yeah. So clearly these things a dependent club and then the player and they determine. But factors now kind of and also a no clear. Now ka walk no Bayern still are keen on Harry Kane. Now news are ever according to Matt Barlow Trauma Daily Mail.
Okay.
On the Tottenham team no and Aqua pre-season. So he's aware of some of the details at what camp. Harry Kane and Daniel Levy didn't come and then come Kane once again we see so catch Daniel Levy say the current deal never was Spurs no on renew but he's open to all options including staying at Spurs for this season. But so what's not Spurs this season he will leave for free because the contract na aka 1 year. Until or they have told Daniel Levy and him say on renew the current deal. So Daniel Levy is aware. Bayern when a hint of this communication. Ama a page or mujidiemu. And they are pushing the Kyle Walker project because Walk and any Kane no omo anyonko febi.
Okay.
Omo ball was Spurs and they have this kind of bond. They almost have to body the 3 Lions of England. And they believe that Kyle Walker no Germany no Obama Bayern. Say Kane ba penny beka because who chrome ni wo ho essence wo down for ho a obetimi no edin komo. So the Hurricane project ni enguye atai din kakra. Hurricane nem pese obe pushi obe ni gidigidi obe kasa na akoye news. He wants to calmly look at the options available but he's open to anything that happens. But the likelihood so obe free hot this season or not ne there. Ye ntimi ensinipi enka. But there are some our catcher Daniel Levy according to Matt Barlow and they say he won't renew his current contract when it expires. So that's the development of free hobber. Still in the camp of Bayern and they better or Bayern kakra. Yeah, Soma, a goalkeeper. On the Interfor no matter nana. Until more per goalkeepers on my besha. Now when you release clause of £6 million. But release clause in Ankasana, yes, also a clause to be a attaching.
Clause ban.
Clause is that say a branch away release clause will bet me a trigger. This a man no ya. We pray on signing and say on Covano. Why are available? We see a kind in 3 competitive games. Yes. 86 million no. It means that if Inter want to trigger there's more feasible time on bet me other signing ya and summer in the January transfer window.
That's a summer idea.
Summer. Because yambo competition bia and by the time this summer transfer window the bend no na Bundesliga ni entimi mbo sa 3 matches no. So clearly per that clause attached to the release clause no, it means Inter can sign Soma now for €6 million. They will need to negotiate with Bayern. Among person will be negotiating, among person will the release clause now. They will need to wait until January.
Okay.
So those are the conditions. And Ansha Samer Handanovic interphoning Jana.
Yeah, okay.
They will keep him for the short term and then pursue Jan Soma because some of the more party for.
Oh, what they?
Oh, say Muniska. Ska Kanaba no mbebo hu ban kakra to maintain and then still pursue a more target.
Okay.
So they will prefer the 6 million release clause no. Say Inter bet me enya Jan Soma with the release clause there. This a buy and for no excuse that attached clause of Neuer over 3 competitive games. Now say Jan Soma what are the targets for a year Bayern Munich? So met me a year now omode assigning players nibi. And there is this interesting development. There is a goalkeeper Osia Kain Edema FC Copenhagen. we know or a former Liverpool player and osisi na kanya then eventually I'm farm and call loans then FC Copenhagen for na fano. He's on Bayern's radar. We offering goalkeeper Oliver Baumann. He's also on Bayern's radar. We nusa, we nenyini. So Bayern are looking for long-term options and short-term options.
Okay.
In the events that Soma Beko this summer, Oliver Baumann will be in the picture. In the events that summer Ebeko in January, Oliver Baumann will be in the picture. For the long term, they have this and they have Yasin Bonu as well.
Okay.
So Bayern and the new Gugu Aquim for your Bayer. The last one Bayer no Okafor because of time.
Aye.
Okafor ni similar in common. The genesis of it and they say Mediterranean pursuit no amfa.
So you free Porto.
Milan for no wanted to pay an amount to FC Porto. Porto for ne say Eswa Omonje. And then Omo CDP because according to Milan, Omo say Porto entourage no Omo take an ambiguous stand. Bronika ambiguous I say Ome na ho. Ayaza unya obeje unya wonje. Sikani so I just saying. Porto for no were not straightforward in some of their dealings with AC Milan. So Omo grew frustrated and the best thing they decided to do and they said they will stop pursuing Mediterranean and then use Omo non-EU slot to pursue Samuel Chukwueze. Chukwueze enye European. So Omo sign Taremia and community means sign Chukwueze.
Okay.
But Omo so edge Chukwueze because they see him as the occupant of Omo right wing position or Ebioni Christian Pulisic ebebo normal form competition. But Pulisic nankasa they will prefer him in the number 10 role abreast a coach or no that a Milan team nano ebo in a 4-2-3-1 formation. So that is what they see. Until Omentimian pursue Taremi, they decided to switch to Noah Okafor. Okafor a member of the EU or Okita EU passport. We are no free one. Osina Kain elsewhere the Red Bull Salzburg Austria. They like him. So if they don't get a Mediterranean, they will pursue Noah Okafor and commodity na ko anymore. In the event, so Mutimene Salzburg for agree a fee pay. Noah Okafor will join AC Milan as their new striker. So that is a development.
May I say